G'day, welcome back to my fourth video. I'm Peter. I'm a licensed assessor instructor. Most of my information is based on Australian law. Today we're talking about hazards in the workplace, where you'll find them, what they are, and what a hazard is. Remember to watch right through to the end. I do have a bonus video for you to watch. Now, without any further ado, let's get into the videos. See this first one and see if you can spot the hazards. Okay, it's very interesting this. Let's play it. One big massive hole in the middle of the floor, no guards, no safety rails, no harnesses. It's a hazard waiting to happen. Video number 2. Why it's so important to have safety guards on machines. Let's have a look and see what could happen and how bad this could go wrong. Let's watch. T-shirt caught up. Jesus, that's eating his t-shirt up. He's lucky he managed to hit the stop switch before he became part of it. Video number 3. Let's see if you can find out what's wrong in this, if it's not obvious enough. Let's have a look.
This is extremely dangerous. Never put a pallet away with it stacked on another pallet behind it. That puts it at a serious angle that could have it fall over at any point in time. Always look up when you're in warehouses.
Video number 4. I think you'll have a good laugh on this one. It's so amazing that they're doing it and not getting hurt or there's more damage. Well, let's watch the video so you develop your own opinion. You know I'm not talking any rubbish or anything. Here we go. Forklift on a forklift. What could go wrong? Awesome, isn't it? Lucky the other forklift didn't fall off. Video number 5. Now again, you guys should be familiar with warehousing. Let's see if this is stacked properly. Admittedly, this is all about an order picker, but the same principle with forklifts. Things sticking out of shelves, things you can collect, bringing loads down, moving loads past the racking with things sticking out. See what I'm talking about. Let's have a look. You're looking down the warehouse, down the racking. Have a look in here. Stock's not stacked properly, things sticking out the shelves. This is an accident waiting to happen. I think this is a bit of a hazard. The higher he goes, the more scary it looks. That's a pretty high height. Video number 6. It's another construction site. Very interesting. In this construction site, no one is wearing harnesses. Have a look. And there's a lot more going on than just not harnesses. Video number 7. Let's see if we can see what the hazard is here. That looks pretty scary to me, but hey, look, I don't know. Some of you might be brave enough to walk in there. Let's have a look. Thousands of sacks. They look all pretty heavy. He's trying to bring them down. Now look at that. That was pretty scary to me. I wouldn't attempt to do that. Video number 8. Another construction site. See if you can understand what the hazards here. High edges, no harnesses, no safety barriers. What could go wrong? Video number 9. This is about a nice hazard. Forklifts getting stuck. Let's have a look. You can see another forklift towing another forklift out. He was picking a pallet up and obviously lost traction with the rear wheels because of ice. A lot more can go wrong with ice, obviously. But here in Australia, I said, unless you're working inside a freezer, we don't have to deal with those issues. Now bids the question, what is a hazard? What is a risk? A hazard is anything that can harm, injure, or kill you. A risk is the chance a hazard can harm, injure or kill you. If we go back to the second video, you'll see a guy on a lathe. Now the lathe is the hazard. What's the risk? Well, the risk is that lathe, without any guards on it, the guy can get caught up in that lathe, like he did. He was lucky it only ripped his t-shirt off. You're quite welcome to pause the video and go back, have a look at the second clip. Now people often get these two mixed up, and it comes up in the assessment here in Australia. You need to know the difference. Example, this image that I'm putting up now, you've got a snake. The snake is the hazard, right? But there's no real risk involved with the snake. If he's left on his own, he's in the middle of a field, what's the risk of you getting hurt? None. But as the image illustrates, you walk up to the snake and put your hand in front of him, or go step on him, or do something like that, well, the risk is you're going to get bitten. So a hazard is anything that can harm, injure or kill you. A risk is the chance that hazard can harm, injure or kill you. The next image, a hazard. A hazard is something that has the potential to harm you. Okay, a shark. But there's no risk involved. You're standing on a shore and there's a shark in the middle of the water. But the risk is if you're swimming in that water and the shark's in there, there's a high risk or chance of you getting harmed, injured or killed, eaten up. Now on this next image, you'll see a lot of hazards in the workplace, which have a lot of risks. Why? Because there's people there without any controls put in place. With hazards, you need to put in controls to stay safe. Controls like the following image. Controls like full body harnesses if you're working at heights. You've got movable fences, so if there's any holes in the ground, people are aware of it and they won't fall in it. Toxic gas meters, so you can understand what the levels are in the area, etc. You can have a look through the picture yourself. As I said, there's many controls there to minimize the risk of getting hurt by a hazard. Now I really hope that has cleared it up for you. This is in the assessment, in the Australian assessment, the difference between a hazard and a risk, and you need to know that. Hopefully this video has helped you. Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. And now for the bonus video. Enjoy.